10, 9, 8, 7. RS-25 engines lit. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition. And liftoff.
Since 1972, humans never returned to the moon. But after more than 50 years, under the Artemis II mission, humans are finally going back and returning safely to Earth. You already know, going to the moon takes massive money, time, and effort. But did you know this? Coming back is hundreds of times more dangerous. Today, let's break down the terrifying science behind re-entry. Number 1. Deadly speed. The Orion spacecraft enters Earth's atmosphere at around 40,000 kilometers per hour. That's about 11 kilometers per second, nearly 50 times faster than a commercial airplane. At this speed, the kinetic energy is massive. Hitting the atmosphere is like smashing into a solid wall. If the angle is even slightly wrong, the spacecraft can burn up or bounce back into space. Controlling this speed is one of the hardest parts of space travel. Number 2. Extreme heat. As the spacecraft enters the atmosphere, friction with air particles raises the temperature to around 2,800 degrees Celsius. That's close to half the temperature of the sun's surface. To survive this, the spacecraft uses a heat shield. But here's the scary part. The heat shield slowly burns away. If even a tiny crack forms, the astronauts inside can be destroyed in seconds. This is exactly what caused the Columbia disaster in 2003. A small damage led to total destruction. Number 3. The plasma blackout. At such high speeds, air molecules can't move out of the way fast enough. They collide, creating extreme heat. Electrons get stripped away, and a plasma layer forms around the spacecraft. This plasma blocks all radio signals, meaning complete communication blackout. For about 7 minutes, NASA loses contact completely. They don't even know if the astronauts are alive or not. Number 4. Crushing G-forces. As the spacecraft slows down, astronauts experience intense G-forces, up to 7 or 8 times their body weight. Imagine your entire body being crushed under 8 times your own weight. Even breathing becomes difficult. Number 5. Parachute deployment. To land safely, 11 parachutes must deploy perfectly. Small ones stabilize the capsule, then massive parachutes slow it down. If even one fails, the spacecraft hits the ocean like concrete. Number 6. Toxic danger. After landing, astronauts must wait inside until rescue teams arrive. But even then, danger remains. Fuel like hydrogen is highly toxic. If there's any leak, they could suffocate inside the capsule. So think about this. To complete a space mission successfully, they must survive every single one of these dangers. And we call this a safe return. So, what do you think? Would you risk your life for space exploration? Subscribe, because this is just the beginning.
Houston Integrity, splashdown, sending post-landing command now.
Splashdown confirmed.
Copy splashdown, waiting on VLDR.
Splashdown confirmed at 7:07 p.m. Central Time, 5:07 p.m. Pacific Time.